Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. With Memorial Day 2025 just around the corner, you're probably thinking ahead, planning your cookouts, family gatherings, and of course, your shopping strategy. Sam's Club is a top destination for holiday deals. And this year, they're bringing back some major savings across categories like outdoor furniture, appliances, electronics, and more. In today's video, we're giving you everything you need to know about Sam's Club Memorial Day hours, the full list of best deals, shopping tips to avoid the crowds, and some bonus insight on how to honor the real meaning of this American holiday. Stick around till the end, because we'll also be sharing a few tricks to help you get the most out of your Sam's Club membership during this sales season. Let's dive in! Understanding Memorial Day. Before we talk deals, let's set the scene. Memorial Day is more than just the unofficial start of summer. It's a national holiday set aside to honor the brave military men and women who gave their lives in service to the United States. Observed on the last Monday of May, in 2025, that's May 26th. It's a time for reflection, remembrance, and gratitude. From parades and ceremonies to quiet moments with loved ones, Americans across the country use the day to pay tribute in many different ways. But Memorial Day has also evolved into a time for family get-togethers, barbecues, travel, and yes, some serious retail savings. So let's talk about what Sam's Club is offering this year. Club Memorial Day hours. Let's get the logistics out of the way. Yes, Sam's Club will be open on Memorial Day, but they are operating on reduced holiday hours. If you're a Plus member, you get early access, with store hours from 800 a.m. to 600 p.m. If you're a Club member, your hours are from 1000 a.m. to 600 p.m. So keep that in mind. Doors close earlier than usual. If you're planning to grab items for a Monday cookout or last-minute event, don't wait too long. It's always a good idea to double-check your local store's hours on the Sam's Club website or app, since individual locations might vary slightly. Also, the pharmacy and tire center may have different operating schedules, so plan ahead if you need those services. Key Memorial Day. Deals to watch. Now for the juicy part, the deals. Sam's Club's Memorial Day Savings event runs from May 15 to June 4, giving you a generous 3-week window to shop. Here's a breakdown of what's trending this year. Outdoor living and backyard essentials. Perfect for summer entertaining. Look for deals on patio furniture sets. 2. Gazebos and canopies. 3. Fire pits and heaters. 4. Grills, especially from brands like Members Mark and Weber. Some items are discounted up to 40% off. Early summer is the best time to invest in outdoor upgrades. And Sam's Club has competitive pricing. Do electronics and home tech, you'll see. Up to $300 off. Smart TVs. Number 2. Discounts on laptops, tablets, and noise-cancelling headphones. Number 3. Home security bundles and smart doorbells. Many of these deals are online exclusives, so keep your eyes on samsclub.com for early drops. Top 3. Home appliances big-ticket items like 1. Refrigerators. 2. Washers and dryers. 3. Air conditioners and dehumidifiers. Sam's Club often includes bundle savings or gift cards with large appliance purchases, especially for Plus members. Factor 4. Furniture. Indoor furniture is also included this year. 1. Sofas and recliners. Subton 2. Beds and mattresses. 3. Office desks and ergonomic chairs. Perfect for spring cleaning and that long overdue home refresh. Grocery and party supplies, and but not least, don't forget the bulk buys. 1. BBQ meats, hamburger buns and snacks. 2. Drinks, condiments and side dishes. 3. Disposable plates, cups and napkins. Holiday weekends mean big gatherings, and Sam's Club makes it easy to stock up affordably. Online versus in-store shopping strategy. Wondering where to shop, online or in-store? Here's the breakdown. In-store shopping is great if you want to physically see furniture or grills before buying. 2. Need groceries and same-day pickup. That 3. Like browsing for clearance items, online shopping is best for 1. Electronics. 2. Seasonal deals released at midnight. 5. 3. Bulk items you don't want to carry. And 4. Members with free shipping perks. Pro tip. If you're a Sam's Club Plus member, take advantage of early access, free shipping on most online items, and the Scan and Go app to skip checkout lines. The website also features a Hot Buys section, where limited time markdowns get added throughout the weekend. These often sell out fast, so check regularly. Tips to maximize savings. Want to get the biggest bang for your buck this Memorial Day? Here are 7 quick tips. 1. Go early. The best deals and fresh inventory are available right when doors open. Lines and stock issues become a problem by mid-afternoon. Use the app. Download the Sam's Club app to check stock, find member-only prices, and track digital coupons. 5. Compare with other retailers. Don't assume Sam's has the best price. Check Amazon, Costco, and Walmart to be sure. 4. Watch for instant savings tags. These are automatic discounts for members. No coupons needed. But try curbside pickup. For online orders, this can save you time and help you avoid holiday crowds. 6. Sign up for a Plus membership. Especially if you shop regularly, the early access and shipping perks pay for themselves quickly during sales. 7. Check clearance sections. Both online and in-store clearance sections are loaded before and after Memorial Day, especially for seasonal goods, honoring the spirit of Memorial Day. While we love a good deal, it's important to pause and reflect on the real reason we celebrate Memorial Day. This holiday was created to honor fallen US military members, those who gave everything to protect our freedom. Here are a few ways you can honor them. Visit a local military cemetery or attend a Memorial Day parade. 2. Participate in the National Moment of Remembrance at 3 p.m. local time. 3. Support veterans through donations or volunteering. Even a simple act like displaying the American flag or thanking a veteran's family goes a long way. Let's do a quick recap before we wrap up. Sam's Club is open Memorial Day from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. for Plus members and 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. for Club members. The Memorial Day Savings event runs from May 15 to June 4. 3. Huge deals are available across outdoor goods, tech, furniture, appliances, and groceries. 4. Shopping early, either in-store or online, will help you beat the crowds and grab the best savings. So, what are you waiting for? Make your list, check the app, and be ready to shop smart. Whether you're prepping for a BBQ, redecorating the house, or simply stocking up on summer staples, Sam's Club has you covered this Memorial Day. If you enjoyed this breakdown, give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss another holiday savings update. Until next time, shop wisely, stay safe, and enjoy a meaningful Memorial Day with the people you love.